Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Connor and I'll take you through the updates for surfacing. The cover for this rapid water level control needs a stiffening rib for strength and an inset for a warning decal. The new design needs more clearance for internal components. An offset surface will work here. In SOLIDWORKS 2020, faces that can't be offset the desired amount are automatically identified and highlighted in the tree. You can view and remove failing faces to build the remaining geometry all at once. Previously, we would sometimes see the feature fail and have to spend time investigating why. 2020 simplifies the process of creating offset surfaces, saving you time on this fundamental surfacing operation. From here, the SOLIDWORKS surfacing tools make it easy to clean up the remaining surfaces and create a design which can be injection molded. To finish the design, we can use a surface thicken to create a constant wall thickness part. In SOLIDWORKS 2020, you now have the option to thicken the surface equally in both directions. Our finished design looks great, meets our requirements, and is ready to be manufactured. To recap, the surface offset can now remove failing faces before creating the remaining faces, and in surface thicken, we now have the option to thicken both sides at once.